What's up, guys? Kyle here with Crypto Theory. All right, Ethereum Max, EMAX, that's what we're talking about today. And I want to jump right into it. We're going to do a crypto cliff notes on this one right here. It's not going to be a reaction video. We have had a chance to look into this project right here because it's been so heavily requested by people. It's been so active in social media, so many people talking about this project and so many people talking about just this in general, and we really wanted to be able to dive into it a little bit, get an idea what this project is about. Instead of giving you guys our first reaction, we can at least come into this with a little bit of knowledge. Again, we haven't had a ton of time to look into this. However, we've looked into it enough to be able to get an idea why, there's a lot of people talking about it and the interesting parts about it. Okay, so before we jump in, guys, make sure to smash those likes if you like what we talk about on here, you like crypto, you like EMAX. Smash up those likes, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications. You guys know the drill. We love you. We appreciate it. Let's jump in. Let's start talking about it. As always, this is not professional financial advice. This is all, our thoughts, our opinions, our speculation on it. So always invest at your own risk and do your own research. Okay. So you can see EMAX actually down 20% today. Now, this is based on the time of recording. This is going to be recorded probably 12 to 24 hours prior to this actually coming out. So always, double check pricing and stuff like that. But down 20% today. However, you can see this thing just had a huge run up. And this is a brand new project. This is not something where it's been around very long. I mean, this thing still, has training wheels on it, basically. It's only been live for a couple of weeks. So it is a brand new project, and it could be something where, at number 2551 in terms of overall rank, they don't even have a market cap shown on this thing yet. But there's over 100 million in 24-hour volume. Could be considered almost like a low cap gem. We didn't want to make this part of a regular low cap gem video. We wanted to actually give it its own video because of the recent pump that it has experienced and how much extra talk it's getting on social media platforms. Okay, so just take a look at that pump right there and see. I mean, this thing, when it moves, it can move quick. Okay, it can have big spikes. Now it's on a healthy correction right now, a pretty healthy correction, I would say. But all in all, I mean, this thing absolutely boomed very, very quickly, right out of the gate almost. Okay, so anybody that's wondering what this is, we're going to show you down here, and then we will pull up their website so you can see that. So basically, EMAX is an expansion of the Ethereum ecosystem. You guys all know how bullish we are on Ethereum and really on Ethereum-based projects for the most part. EMAX is a decentralized financial crypto hosted on the Ethereum blockchain. It's designed to provide a secured approach to managing digital assets and providing instant access to rewards for holders. Okay, it's an ERC-20 token launched with a total supply of 2 quadrillion. We keep seeing that quadrillion number a lot, 1, 2, 100 quadrillion, all these different ones. So very interesting. EMAX with none held back for the development team, creating a fair and complete distribution of the coins. 50% of the liquidity pool was burnt to the creator of the ETH ecosystem, Vitalik Buterin. The other 50% was burnt to a dead address and released to the open market. Very interesting right there. Not uncommon. We've seen that happen with some of the other projects. So ultimately, let's look at their website right here. Okay, major announcement. EMAX is rolling out a technology upgrade through forking to support expanded coin use and exponential growth. Okay, so let's see. Disrupt history. It's a decentralized ERC-20 token, ERC growth token built on the secure Ethereum network. Okay, vision to bridge the gap between emergence of community tokens. We've talked about a lot of those lately. Okay, community tokens. Think Shiba and some of those other ones that we've been talking about. FAG, we just did a video on, very, very popular video. All community-driven tokens, and then the well-known foundational coins of crypto, creating a unique token that provides reoccurring and automatic financial rewards. Okay, those community coins are the ones that the holders continuously get rewarded and everything, with a pathway for practical long-term use in everyday life. So this is a very, very interesting take on that because it's bridging that gap between all the community-owned stuff and then the traditional inner workings of regular foundational cryptos, which is the side of things where they've got real world use case, and that's what kind of we fell in love with on those in the first place. So very, very interesting because it's kind of bridging the gap between two totally different types of things. Okay, you can see right here, creating a new space in crypto, self-sufficient and autonomous DeFi community that gives holders control of their digital assets. Again, it's going to reward, you can see right down here, it's going to reward you. It's a yield-based token, provides 2% distribution on every transaction to existing EMAX wallet holders just for owning it. Pretty cool. Basically, secure Ethereum blockchain. We all know how secure Ethereum is. One of the biggest benefits of Ethereum is the security of it. Payment smart contract services, goods, transactions, investments. ETHMax or Emax is the most versatile token within the ecosystem. Interesting. Automated farming technology with every transaction makes it more eco-friendly than traditional mining methods. You can see the tokenomics of it right here, and then ultimately how to buy. So it is a brand new project. The website, I'm sure, will have more updates on it. They're going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff with the website. It's kind of, overall kind of a plain website and everything. But all in all, an interesting take on that, because I do like the idea that it is trying to bridge the gap between the emergence of these community tokens. We've been talking about them a lot on here because they are rising in popularity, but also those foundational coins of crypto that have those real world use cases that we're all looking for. Okay, so very, very interesting. Now, last but not least, I want to talk about their social media a little bit, because there's a lot of celebrity endorsements of it, and there's a lot of stuff going on right now with celebrities and Emax. So first and foremost, you can see right here, those that don't know, basically Floyd Mayweather is going to be taking on Logan Paul, who is one of the world's largest YouTubers in general, in a boxing match. And you can see right here, you can use Emax to buy tickets for that fight. Okay, we scroll down a little bit further, and I noticed this earlier. Let me find the tweet on here. I'm hoping I can. Okay, so you can see it was trending #1 on CoinMarketCap. Very interesting right there. Trending #1 on Dex Tools. Okay. We have heard let's see. This right here, basically, what's better, passing 25,000 holders today or NBA legends calling out their former employers? Okay, so it basically talks about how Paul Pierce said that, to ESPN, I don't need you. I got Emax. I made more money with this crypto in the past month than I did with the all in a year. So basically saying Paul Pierce is a holder of Emax, and he's been making a bunch of money on it. Now, the other really interesting one is, and I don't have it pulled up on here, we will get that for a different video, but Tom Brady has come out and said that. Now, we've only seen screenshots of that. I haven't actually seen the physical tweet, so it could be a doctored photo, who knows, but we have seen that Tom Brady has come out and said that he is in on Emax as well. So, guys, very, very interesting. You start getting enough celebrity endorsement of this stuff, and we've seen what it can happen with these projects when they do get enough celebrity backing on it and everything, and if it's a good enough project. So ultimately, will this be a good enough project? It's hard to say. It is still one of those things, we haven't made a full-on decision. I mean, what we want to do on this, it is on a little bit of a dip. Now, there are rumors that Sunday, again, we're going to know this better tomorrow when this video comes out, but there are a lot of rumors, a lot of people talking about how Sunday is going to be a very bloody day in terms of crypto prices going way down. So we'll wait and kind of see how that plays out, but this is definitely one that's on my radar. I'm very interested in this. Only on Uniswap and 1inch, the fact that it has 100 million in volume just on those, to me, points to it being fairly bullish. So definitely keeping an eye on this, and we'll let you guys know in follow-up videos what we ultimately decide to do. But one last point I want to make, guys, at the end of the day, it's got that word Ethereum in it. Okay, it doesn't have to be the real deal. We've seen with things like Ethereum Classic where it will pump just because it has that name Ethereum. With this right here, again, your typical person getting into the crypto space, they want to buy Ethereum. Right now, it's sitting at like $2,500, $2,400, somewhere in there. They might not be able to afford that, or even they may not know that they can just get a partial ETH. However, they look at this and they're like, man, I could put, $100 into this thing and I'm going to get a ton of them. So, just an interesting take on that right there. Could be another thing that really pumps that price. So, guys, that's all I've got. Let us know in the comments below. What do you think of Emax? Do you have any? Are you going to get some? What are your general thoughts on it? So, with that being said, guys, that's all we've got. We'll catch you in the next one.